I got a call from this number. Do you have an emergency?
Yes, I have a guy threatening to beat the crap out of his wife.
What's the
He's
address?
got a machete.
Okay, what is the address?
What's the address? It's like 83rd, and it's behind the. It's not my house.
It's like you're at 83rd and possibly Fairmount. Is that
Something like that? Yeah. There's a firehouse on the corner. He's got a machete.
Are you in an apartment complex?
Yes.
And he has a machete.
He's been harassing her. He's ripped her shirt up.
Okay. Do you have the machete in his hand right now?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of pants is he wearing?
No, the police are coming to get you. Good.
Are you talking to him right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to go inside and separate yourself from him.
I can't go inside because he's got the door blocked with a machete, and there's little kids in there.
Hello, Phoenix 911. Where's your emergency?
Hello, we're at North 83rd Avenue. This is a condominium, and there is a man threatening a woman. He literally is. He's literally punching her, and he has her in the floor, and he's not letting her enter the house. And she has 3 kids in the house.
Okay.
And he has something in his hand.
So they're inside the house now?
No, they're outside the house. He's literally punching her, and he has something in his hand. Okay. Oh my God! Okay. He literally got. He got something in his hand, like a machete, like a knife, and he's pointing at everyone who's trying to call 911.
I see. So we're talking.
We literally walked away because he was.
Yeah. That's okay. God. You don't need to stay there. But you said it was like a machete, so like a big knife.
Yeah, a machete, and I'm afraid because she has 3 kids inside the house.
Okay.
And he's not letting her get in the house.
Take down. They're actively in a fight. Hey, get the fuck off of her! Get off of her now! Oh. 814 998. Go! Come on! Move! Right here. He's down. 814 Henry. Suspect is down. He had a knife to her throat.
This is a freeze frame and zoom of the machete used by the man during